Next, we are going to study about sugar industry. India stands second as world producer of sugar. Sugar largely contains sucrose. During transportation, the sucrose content reduces. It is found in the region of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh. 60% of sugar mill in India are located in the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Sugar industry is ideally suited for the cooperative sector. We know that we already studied about the cooperative sector. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by producer or suppliers of raw material, workers or both. That is the cooperative sector. In recent time, the sugar industry is shifting its concentration from the belt of UP and Bihar to southern and western state, especially Maharashtra. It is because of high sucrose content, climate is suitable, cooperative sector is more successful in southern and western belt. Next, we want to study about the challenges that industry face. That is it is seasonal nature of doing business, old and inefficient method of production, sucrose content reduced due to transportation, sugarcane bars need to be reduced to make paper craft, ceramics, pressed building boards, etc. That are the challenges faced by the sugar industry. Next, we want to study about the iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry is the basic industry since all other industries depend on it. Steel is needed for engineering goods, construction of material, defense, medical, telephonic, scientific equipment and variety of consumer goods. Iron and steel is a heavy industry. Iron ore, coking coal and limestone are required in the ratio of approximately 4 is to 2 is to 1 to make steel harder. Next, here is the process of manufacture of steel. First is transportation of raw material, then blast furnace, iron is melted, limestone is fluxing material which added, slag is removed, coke is burned into heat the core. Next is the pig iron, then steel making and shaping of metal. That is the process of manufacture of steel. Chota Nagpur Plateau region has maximum concentration of iron and steel industry. All PSU market their steel. Steel Authority of India Limited, TISCO markets its produce to Tata Steels. Next, problem that faced by the iron and steel industry. High cost and limited availability of coking coal, lower productivity of laborers, irregular supply of energy and poor infrastructure. That are the problem faced by the iron and steel industry.